I'm Anil Kumar, and we are trying to review some basic skills for mathematics. Now I hope you're enjoying this journey with me. Here we have exponents of tens. So the first one for you is 100 squared. You can write that down. Then we have minus 10 to the power of 0. And here we have minus 10 squared. And minus 2 times 10 cube is equal to what? 2 times minus 10 to the power of 5 and 2 times 10, everything to the power of 2. That means square of 2 times 10. So I'd like you to pause the video, copy the question, answer them, and then look into my suggestions, right? I hope that helps. Now here is how we are going to answer them. When we say 100 squared, then what we mean? We mean 100 times 100. Simple, right? And when you multiply numbers with so many zeros, you just count them. We got 4 of them, right? So it is 10,000. So that's how we just get the answer. How about 10 to the power of 0 and there's minus outside? Minus indicates that you do get a negative answer. But anything to the power of 0 is how much? Same as 10 to the power of 0, right? And that is the number 1, right? So anything, if I write a to the power of 0, the answer is always 1. But in this case it was minus. We had a minus here, and so it is minus 1. So that's how we will answer this question. Now minus 10 squared, that means one negative sign, and 10 is squared, not minus 10. So it is 10 times 10. 10 times 10 is 100 with a negative sign. So we get negative 100 as our answer. So these questions look very similar, easy, but they're kind of tricky. So be careful when you're answering these set of questions. Now here we have minus 2 times 10 cubed. Now minus 2 is not cubed here, only number 10 is cubed. So it is basically minus 2 times 10 cubed, means 10 times 10 times 10, right? 10 times 10 times 10 is 1000, so it's minus 2000. So you get minus 2000. Next is minus 10 to the power of 5. Now in this case, minus 10 is being multiplied with itself, and we have 5 of them, right? So I'll just go over in this direction, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros, right? But negative signs, when you multiply by odd number of times, you'll get negative. So I'm writing negative first and then the number 2, and we have 5 zeros. That is this exponent of 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that becomes our answer. Now the next one is 2 times 10 whole square. It really means it is 20 whole square, right? So think like this. Let me change the ink now. Now 2 times 10 is 20. Think like this. It is 20 whole square, right? So we are going for 20 times 20, right? So that is what it is. And 20 times 20 is 400. So the answer is 400 in this case, right? I hope that makes things absolutely clear, and it really helps you to review the basic skills. And I hope you're enjoying working with me and learning some basic concepts about math. Let's move forward. Thank you and all the best.